An industry-leading 15-inch cleaning path allows you to clean 25% faster than 12-inch models. Blast away oily deposits with a spinner and components that are rated up to 3,000 psi. Toolless design makes changing the boot easy and quick. Lower profile cleans under toe kicks. Aerodynamically engineered radial vacuum line creates a laminar flow vortex in the cleaning head that allows the SX-15 to remove water twice as fast as competitive models. The perfectly optimized vacuum allows you to remove water without killing your back because of tool suckdown. Shoulder width grips allow you to clean using side-to-side or front-to-back motions. Clean faster, dry faster, and work longer with the innovative SX-15.